Hey, good evening, fans. On a Friday afternoon, we get asked a lot for, do you have certain packages or themes you can put together? And one is dinosaurs. They seem to always make a comeback every couple years. And yes, floor puzzles never go out of style. Our big dino epics come in 4 different styles. They're very cool. But this new book by Workman is very cool. It's by Peter Lippman, but I just wanted to read you 1 or 2 pages of it if I could. I was hatched from an egg and I'm still very small, but what will I become when I grow big and tall? And it takes you through the story of different dinosaurs. We'll catch one more page here. Beautiful colors, well-made book. With my long neck, I could see over the trees. Need something up here? Sure thing. Just say please. And you notice it has the name of each of the dinosaurs in the book. And it goes through and can be a great good night story or something in a car to take along and just have good memories. So again, we can put together theme packages for you, but I know dinosaurs will be a hit regardless. A book, a puzzle, an actual vinyl dino, and you are good to go. See you, bud.